Alright, I just found this off Facebook. It was an ad, and I did some research on it and found out it was like one of the brightest and clearest projectors you can get, space projectors. So I went to their website. They were out of the blue model, which is what I wanted. You can get the green model, or you can get the blue, and it also has the green. So I put it in my cart and contacted them and seen how long until they got the blue one, and sat in the cart for like 4 days, and they eventually offered me like 30% off, and I think it was about $100 to begin with, so I got 30% off. And then it must have been back ordered for a little bit, and then it finally shipped out and arrived. So I'm gonna open it up. It's the manual. There's the laser right there. That's the button that you push. In the manual it says you push once to turn on, twice for the blue, 3 times for the red, 4th time for the green, 5th for the colorful light, 6th for laser only, and then 7th to turn it off. And then it goes through Wi-Fi how to connect to your phone. So I got the app and everything already downloaded. But I'll tear that off the laser when I get ready to use it. It's cool. It's got these little ribs here so that you can put it at different directions. I'll probably be about right there. It's a USB cord. I don't know what this is called. And to see how long the cord is, some people complained about it not being long enough, but it seems like it's alright for where I got a ton of plugs upstairs, and it's supposed to work really good in a big area. So I mean, yeah, that's plenty long enough. So it's pretty cool. I can't wait to hook it up, get the room upstairs finished, and carpet. It's all painted, and put that up there. But I'm gonna go ahead and probably test it out tonight. So probably look for another video.